Let's go. These are Tej vibes. Good morning, everybody. Dave, good morning. Ryan, thank you very much. Good morning, Curtis. Good morning, TK. Good morning. Virus and Thrust. Bonjour, bonjour, Emer, ça va? Christopher, good morning. Furin, good morning. Josh, good morning. Trevor, good morning. Jay, ayo. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, so TVIC looks interesting. I had Tesla on here because Tesla looks like absolute rubbish. Do you guys see the news for Tesla? Tesla's been investigated. Oof, investigated for what? For and you know it's a scam. You know it's a big scam. But this is the problem with owning Tesla is like Tesla has a lot of enemies. Elon has a lot of enemies. A lot of enemies. So some rubbish came out this morning, of course, to overshadow. So Tesla was Tesla had news last night, something about, like China and robo taxis potentially getting approved. And then this morning, something else had to come out to counteract that, right? So they've been investigated. Report US prosecutors examining where the company committed securities, wire fraud, and criminal probe for self driving claims. So there's some rubbish. Viruses I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I am not selling. Yeah. Well, it's gonna be like that. So yeah, has ATA sounds like success? Yeah, no, it doesn't. It doesn't sound like success. It doesn't. A lot of us rest is still. Yeah, yeah, exactly. To start the day, we do. Well, it's not gonna be from Tesla though. Ken, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So RBEN had news this morning. The stock has done really well. It seems to be consolidating as we approach the open, which is good. So we're going to keep this one on watch, especially if we can stay above $2.45 already. And then eventually we can consolidate above $3. That would be really good. Yeah, so let me pull up some of these other names here. Okay, and then IVP. So IVP was spammed last night in Discord because of the split. So the float is pretty dang low now. It's like 850 shares, 850,000 shares. So we're gonna keep this one on watch as well. Alrighty, so it had a nice little pop to $5, but then came back down. It's because of the low float, right? So the super low float is usually a volatility signal. So we'll leave it up though. See if we can consolidate above four and then push to $5. Alrighty. La, 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 la. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Joe. Ayo, ayo. Good morning, Annette. Good morning, Jeff. Happy dividend day. Let's go. Did you get the money already? That's amazing. Yeah, that's a pretty sweet dividend. As long as Bitcoin can find a way to stabilize. And well, what's going to happen as time goes on, Jeff, is a run is going to come, right? So, but what's going to happen over time is people are going to start to look at Bitcoin and say, "Oh yeah, this is a store value. This is better than money. This is that," and it's going to become like not as gold, but stable, right? So all of this crazy volatility will not always be a thing for Bitcoin, and then that should make your dividend like beautiful if you hold that long, right? So then your dividend is like, yeah, I'm holding it. It doesn't cause a whole lot of chaos, and they pay a nice dividend. So happy days, right? Should I get? You should always get puts on Tesla. I told you. I told you. Like puts on Tesla guarantees success. Why? Because Tesla always crashes. Always. Always. Puts always. Okay, there we go. I need to mute my Discord. Reconnect. No, I do not need to reconnect that. Do need to turn this off though. Okay. Good morning. Mm, yeah. Yeah, no, I don't think. Yeah, no, he hasn't posted. Okay, I'll repost this here again. Ready? Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, come join us. Come join us. Emer, what happened to your membership? Oh my goodness, I just noticed that. I will find you in France. You know that, right? Find you. CM, good morning. And you're starting a position in PVR. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, bring some money to Jeff. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna keep this one on watch, guys. Just because again, recent splits, low float, it's kind of shown us what it's capable of early this morning. You know that push to $5. So the longer we stay above $4, the better. Alrighty, so it would be nice if some volume came in and it consolidated. That would be perfect. TIVC again initially, had that crazy push, but it seems to be selling off now. So the only way we look at this again, if it's we can find a way to curl back above the 9 EMA already. Ruben, REBN, nice rally this morning. Really good rally when everything was super boring. So we're gonna keep this one and watch. It seems to be struggling a lot at like 290. So holding 245, 250, but then struggling at 290. So that's a bit of a range for now. So if we can break above that, send it back to the highs. Alrighty. So yeah, we do have a few names to look at. ENVB also looks a bit interesting, as it is playing with the dollar. ISUN had a really nice run. If you remember, we were joking yesterday that GSUN is pumping. What's a sympathy play? ISUN, right? ISUN is the baby of GSUN, and funny enough, ISUN went up 80% this morning. So we, as usual, let's see what happens when the market opens. See if we can get some flames. Some flames. Good morning, Gail. Good morning, Bunny. After split is now 270. They can do an offering anytime. Yeah, but again, Bonnie, look at the track record for all these splits, right? 9 out of 10 times, every single one of these splits has a run, and then I absolutely agree. You can never trust a company that does the splits ever. Right? You know an offering is coming. You just hope that the offering comes after a run. Also, another thing to keep in mind is you never buy these things and you just sit in there and wait, right? You wait for that momentum and then you take your monies quickly and run, but you wait for the vibes. Yeah, yeah, and absolutely, yes. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. No, especially when you and extra cash isn't skimmed into. Yeah, exactly. Especially a company like that, Jeff, that's been paying for a damn long time. It's a good thing, you know. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. So it's a good thing. Uh, true. Um, okay, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Uh, in 30 seconds. So, question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? Something you're really looking forward to? What are you looking forward to the most here? One of these donks or something else? Yeah, Ruben does look nice though, doesn't it? I'm gonna get rid of Tesla. I really don't want to watch Tesla. What I need to do is have a stop loss on Tesla because I'm not about to lose all my gains on Tesla. Because of virus. Virus is shaking his head. But that's just not gonna happen. I'm not about to go green to red on Tesla. 269. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can break out here above 290. It looks good. Like it looks like one of the more promising name into the open here. So um, not happening Tesla. I'm not. Elon wasn't with me on the in the village, so I'm not about to stretch with Elon. Nope, not happening. Yeah, not happening. It goes test of 290 here. Okay, let's do. Ayo, Kimbella. Good morning, Dan. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Nicola. Interesting. Hmm. Okay. Perfect. No, 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 no. La, 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 la. Yeah, no, KV for now we're sitting on resistance. Your support is closer to 245, 250. RBEN preview. Agree and send. Okay. Yeah, I'm not about to stretch with Elon, please. Elon can he can suck it. Like a 5 to 6 stretch in the morning, Joe. No. Yeah, I'm already stretching this morning. Features and Tesla. So let's put a stop loss on the stretch. Yep. La 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 la. So many Teslas show up at the auction with less than 10 miles on them. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe people get them and they can't pay for them. I don't know. But yeah, sure there's a story behind it. Anyways, yeah, 5 minutes to go. I think 290. La, 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 la. Uh, Actually, funny enough, yeah, that is the resistance, I think. Here we go. Ooh, that thing said immediately. Dang. Well, so that candle hasn't fully closed yet. So let's see if we can get it closed here. Yeah, it's gone. Uh, Crazy that the candle still hasn't closed yet. So let's see. Let's see. Picked up some March 2025 calls. Who doesn't like discounts? Who doesn't like discounts? Hmm. Well, that can give us a retest or no? Just send it. Discounts. That thing is garbage. The Cybertruck. The Hummer. Oh yeah, yeah. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Are we gonna send it here or no? That's that's an interesting candle there. The fact that we're not really getting a brand new high on that candle is interesting. So this candle is gonna decide which way we go here. While we're doing that, IVP is still just kind of sitting at $4, which isn't bad. So it needs to consolidate. TIVC is retesting the 50 and $1.50. So let's see if we can stay above that. ISUN nothing for now. ENVB nothing. ENVB has a little bit of a base at like 98 cents. If it can stay above that, so and back to the Ruben here. There we go. Finally. These are interesting candles actually. Yeah, that candle at least gave us a brand new high. So I hate when this stupid thing gets stuck. Uh, so we pushed it 315. Yeah, $3.15. Come on, send it. Yeah, we seem to have another obstacle at 310 almost there for REBN. There we go. There we go. Mm. Let's see here. Needs. There we go. Market open. See now this is the question now. There we go. There we go. There we go. Boom skis. There we go. Give us more. Give us more. But again, we've gone from like closing above to resistance though, right? So keep that in mind. I think that's the level we were looking for. 320 was the resistance. So so let's see if we can stay above $3 at least. Yeah. I'll go back and look at IVP in a second, but I just want to watch this one for now because this was our main play coming into the open. Here we go. Come on, boom skis, boom skis. Give us more, boom skis. So we're hitting a double top at $3.30. So just be careful. Already 330 double tops there. So whether you're securing profits on the way up or you're doing whatever you're doing, just don't go red, please. Don't go red. Is all. The annoying part is we're at the open and you have all of this volatility because now we're coming back down. But again, like I said, that's a double top at $3.30. Right? So double tops at $3.30 now. This is that retest of $2.90. So we can stay above 290, okay. Right? So if we can stay above, you're okay. 290. La 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 la. Good morning, Farian. Yeah, 320 line. Yeah. So 320, but that double top is 330. So we've gone from the breakout to the double top, which is a perfect play, right? Again, it's unfortunate that we didn't have more room to the upside, but that's okay. If we can stay above 290, then there should be more room to the upside if we can go back and retest. So this is just again the typical breakout. We come back for the retest. It happens every time. And then the true test is if we can stay above 290, and we go back to 330, then it's gonna break it. Right. So let's see if we can. Come on. Come on. But the good thing though is again that close, right? The close of the candle wasn't the worst in terms of like breakout. So if you took that signal in Discord, you should have been green. You're most likely still green. Let's see how this plays out. So again, the retest of 290. That's exactly what's happening here now. So if these candles can close above that level, we should still be okay. But again, there's always going to be, it's always going to be a fine line between you taking profits at resistance. Um, let's see here. So it looks like we're bouncing up 290 for now, which is good. right? So we need to build a base. There goes a pop for IVP, guys. IVP is halted up, right? So we are halted up IVP at $4.66. Again, this is not a brand new one, right? So um, right? So it's not a brand new stock. This stock has been spammed a few times already, right? And we talked about building a base at $4, right? And it popped to $5 this morning, which is perfect. Ruben is back up there, which is amazing. Well, actually, it seems like a scam candle. We're just going back and forth now. But yeah, so again, IVP, a top name to watch coming into today, and then Ruben, another top name to watch. Right. So if you're playing with either of these names, you should be in the green. Right, so there we go. We're back to $3.20. Again, that was a perfect retest. Right, it's very rare that a stock breaks out and just goes boom skis. There's always a retest. There goes 340, 350. Right, so we're, oh my goodness, guys, we're on fire, on fire. Sheesh. Oh my days. Talk about a boom ski. Can I get a rocket, rocket, rockets? Let's go. 355. Send it. Send it, send it, send it, send it. When are we gonna halt up? When are we gonna halt up? Permissions. There we go. Uh, give us more. Give us more. Come on. 66. 370. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. 380. Let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Give us more, please. Again, secure money's on the way up, please. Secure profits on the way up, please, and thank you. Alrighty. So um, secure money's on the way up. 270. Okay. There you go. We keep telling you guys, like, if you're not a legend member yet, what are you doing? We keep telling you guys, are you a legend member? If you're not, what are you doing? What are you doing? If you're not a legend in Discord, that was your signal, right? Your first signal of the day, entry, break and close above 290, right? We broke above that 320 resistance, right? Stop loss was never even close. We as soon as we closed above 290, we never went below again 290, right? So your stop loss was not even tested, right? So again, if you're not a legend member yet, you're missing out. So we're stalling a little bit at 385 here. So let's see if we can break. So again, this was a beautiful retest, right? I love when a stock behaves like it's supposed to. Love when a stock behaves like it's supposed to, right? Clearly, this is a breakout. That's resistance. That's a breakout. That's the retest. I love when a stock behaves like it's supposed to, comes right back down to the retest, and then goes boom skis, right? So again, secure profits on the way up. Move your stop loss higher, right? And then go from there, right? So let's go, Gail. Let's go, monies. Monies, monies. Yeah, 385, 385 for this one. IVP halted up and then immediately sold off again. Again, like these splits are volatile, very volatile. Anyways, we're gonna focus on Ruben because Ruben is actually a name that we're looking at with technicals. IVP is that momentum, right? So we'll take a look at that again when we're done with this one. Deal, deal. La 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 la. There we go, 280. So we need to break above 280. Oh, okay, okay, okay. There we go. Give us $3. Give us $4, please, and thank you. Okay, there's $4. La 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 la. Uh, choo, 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 choo. Yeah, $4. Yeah. So it looks like we're failing at $4 there. La 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 la. You done for the day? Okay, sounds good, Josh. Much love. Be safe, please, and thank you. Be safe. You FOMOed at $3.60, Will. Are you not in Discord? Are you not a legend member, Will? You're slightly green in that position, but again, this is another play that you're taking a bigger risk than you should be. Right? So again, you're green now, which is fine. I hope we keep pumping here, obviously, right? But you're always taking bigger risk than you should be, right? So your FOMO should have easily been on the break above $3.30. Like right there, when we came back to 290 and we broke out, this is your FOMO because it's a breakout, technically. Right? So just make sure you don't go red, please. Don't go red. Don't go red. IVP is still holding $4, which is becoming a good thing actually, that it's bouncing off four now. So Ruben is failing at four for now. If we can break above that level, that'd be good. If you're holding Ruben or if you've made monies in Ruben, type in yes in the chat. If you're in it or you've made monies in it, type in yes in the chat. Uh, uh, yeah, oh, that was good. You scalped Jade? Monies. Let's go, Virgo. Come on. 171. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Let's go. Well done, CM. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Monies. Yeah, again, don't scale out on the way up, or at least have a stop loss. Like the damn thing still looks okay because we're holding above the nine, but it's also stalling below $4. Right. So again, if you're not a legend member, you're missing out. Um, so as time goes on, what I'm gonna try and focus on is more stuff like this. Um, just so we're not always on stream. You know. We're gonna take more days and just do signals and stuff like this. Um, at least that's what I want to do, right? So as time goes on. So again, if you're not a legend member, you will miss out. Ready? Cool. Let's see. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. And yeah, so again, I still like that we're holding above the 9 EMA, right? So you just have to ask yourself, like, do I scale out now or do I just watch for the 9? And in this case, it looks like we're retesting $4, right? So we need to break that $4 though. So either or, like, there's nothing wrong with scaling out at resistance. There's nothing wrong with also putting a stop loss, right? Because there will be times where we get to resistance and we break out. There will be times we get there and we crash. It's a 50-50, right? So you just have to make that decision, but you have to make a decision though, right? You have to make a decision. You can't just sit there and watch it. Let's go. Come on, Dylan. Woof. Crush it. You're crushing it lately. Crushing it. Love it. Absolutely crushing it. So, stop. Nine 950. Joe, monies. Monies. Uh, no, 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 no. AODD. Mm, that's really not. Yeah, that doesn't really. Yeah, there goes the drop Cs, right? So the more you stall at resistance, the more people want to take profits, right? The more we sit there at $4, the more people want to sell it. So we might get another retest. Usually, again, there's always that retest. So initially, we played with this thing from, again, this was the initial breakout, right? 290. So this is what we mean. Like you want to, like you will not always get that opportunity to buy a stock that's sitting at support. Sometimes you have to play the breakouts too, right? The times that you're buying a stock and you know you're clearly buying at the highs. You're like, you know what, I'm buying this stock at the highs. Like this is an idiot move, but it's not. Right? There's two different ways of playing stocks. You will not always find support. You just have to know when to FOMO into a stock on the way up. Right? So in this case, this was beautiful, right? So and the retest was also really nice. So and then we had that resistance at $3.30. So 330 is going to be a lever to watch as well. Right? We seem to be holding the 20 for now, but again, this range is going to be a potential support level. So if we can stay above that and curl back up, that's perfect. Especially if there's nothing else to watch. But today, IVP is another name to watch, right? So we're just going back and forth: IVP up, IVP down, IVP up, IVP down. But it's going to be like that with that low float. It's going to be like that. Um, so just keep that in mind, right? So we've just been focused on those two names for now. But really, there's nothing else to watch, right? There's nothing else to look at. TIVC is consolidating above the 200, so maybe watch $1.30. But Ruben, and IVP, those are the two names we're kind of focused on for now. IVP looks like it wants to go for the highs of the day, right? There goes 470. So that $4 has become a really nice base, hasn't it? Right. So back and forth between these two for now. Um, we'll see. Selling everything basically. I mean, the dude is always bearish though, isn't he? There we go. We're back to 390. Oof! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here we go. So we do need to clear that $4 range though. We do need to clear the $4 range. So we keep failing at $4, but that was a good bounce. La 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 la. What are we at? Yeah, IVP goes up to 470 and then immediately back to 430. Like it's up and down. This is why I'm kind of more focused on Ruben for now, but we'll see. We do need to clear that level. So again, another thing you can do, and we talked about this on one of the videos in terms of like how to set a stop loss, right? If you notice, like some of the people that make the most money on these stocks, they're willing to give some of the money back, right? So if you're willing to give some of the money back, sometimes that's how you make monies, right? So for example, let's say you see a stock that's performing really well. You're like, okay, I got into this thing at $2.60, wherever, right? So now when we come back and retest that 290, you know that you do not go below 290, right? So yes, the stock is all the way at 360, but you're like, you know what, this is the base, I don't want to go below that level. Or you simply just go below the last breakout level, $3.30, right? And then you move it up, and then you move it up. But sometimes you have to give it enough time. You have to give it enough room to potentially come back and then go up again, right? So, and we need to clear $4 here if we want to go boomski again, though. We need to. We need to. So, whatever decision you make, like I said, there's nothing wrong with it, right? Nothing wrong with it. Oh, honestly, sometimes what's even better is just getting rid of it and then buying the new breakout. That's sometimes better. So you're not having to deal with the volatility and lose your gains. You just buy the breakout, right? Hit the breakfast time. Okay, sounds good. Made me something good on you did DD. You made monies. Love it. Well done. Absolutely love it. If you're doing well with the signals in Discord, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're doing well with the signals, because I know a few of you guys are. Because a bunch of you guys will send me money DMs. Yeah, well done, guys. Well done. Keep crushing it. Keep crushing it. Also, I need you guys to react to the signals when you're doing well. Okay, so not just okay. So go to Discord and go leave some flames in the signal channel. Before I ban all of you criminals. Well done, well done, well done. Keep crushing it. And again, um, the goal of the signals, the goal of this is, I think we've done fairly well, right? Um, the goal is to, when I think of my scalping, right? The one thing that always comes to mind is this, is this little screenshot, right? It's this. Right? We will be wrong. Like, I've been wrong so many damn times. You have no idea. So many times, right? But what will save you? What will save you? What will save you? I need to say it like a million times, is taking those small losses. So you notice how when we post these signals, like, we're risking 10 cents, right? We're like, you know what? Risk reward. I could lose 10 cents, right? I could lose 10 cents. I could lose 5 cents. We've had signals where the stop loss is 3 cents. We don't give a damn, right? Because we know we're going to lose, right? But when we're right, though, we want to make it easy to recover the losses, right? We lost 3 cents on that play. Oh, well, right? We just made 20 cents on this play. Cool. We're done, right? We're done. We just made 50 cents on this play. Cool. We're done, right? If you took this play at $2.90, right? And you sold at $4, you made $1, right? You sold at 3.50, you made 60 cents, right? So, like, we take that 60 cents, we take a 10-cent loss. Even if we have to do that a few times, we stay in the market, though. You would throw me out really, virus? Yeah, Tesla is Tesla can suck it. No, not Tesla. Tesla is an amazing company. Elon can suck it, though. Um, So yeah, no, again, it's just a little bit of interaction, right? So that's what I mean by the flames in the signal channel. So I know that you guys are seeing it, and you're potentially taking a play, right? If I'm just posting these signals and you guys are like, and there's no interaction, I promise you there will be so just a little bit of interaction, like, back and forth between yeah. Uh, anyways, let's move on. There we go. Okay, perfect. Uh, is No, exactly, Gail, exactly. I just think, I think the one thing that holds people back a lot in the market is that fear of, like, I'm gonna take this play, but what if I'm wrong? Right? People panic, like, all the time. Like, I'm gonna take this play, but, like, what if I'm wrong, though? Like, what if I'm wrong? What if you are wrong? Right? So, um, yep, it's okay to be wrong, right? It's okay to be wrong. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. La, 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 la. Let's see. One second. There we go. We're not done yet, are we? Uh, Choo, choo. La, la. Come on, Ruben. There we go. 390. Give us that breakout. Give us the breakout here. Okay. La, 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 la. There we go. IVP is still just chilling up there. Yeah, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah, we almost need to clear this. We almost need to break about 375 if we want to run more. We do seem to be stalling now on the downtrend. So the little purple line you see, that's a bit of a downtrend forming on REBN. So if we're gonna pump, we need to break that 375. So breaking close about 375 might bring $4 immediately. So let's see what happens here. But we do look a little bit suspect until we break above that range, right? And then we have that support closer to like $3.30, right? Yep. Uh, I almost want to see Virus's losses on Tesla now. Virus. Na, na, na. Mm, 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 mm. Choo, 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 choo. There we go. Yeah, so we're looking a little bit weak there until we break above that downtrend. I do like the wicks at the bottom of the candles. There we go. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So let's see where this candle closes and then go from there. So we have about another 30 seconds left on it. There we go. 380. Come on. There we go. Oi. We're immediately back down, right? So that candle closing is really important because if the candle doesn't close, the line doesn't go anywhere. Right? So it's always about the candle closing. So that's why when we say when you're looking for look at that drop, right? So this is why we say when you're looking for a play, you're looking for confirmation of a breakout, confirmation of a trend break, confirmation of anything. You need to wait for that candle to close. Because if the candle doesn't close, yes, you might have resistance at 290, you might have resistance at 375, but then it goes above it and you're like, oh, it's a breakout. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, it broke out. Like, wow. Do you even, can you even, can you even see a breakout, bro? Anyways, if you do that, you buy before the candle closes, there's a really good chance it drops and it doesn't close above and then you panic. La, 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 la. You know? Anyways, so if we can stay above the bottom of the range and break back above that downtrend, then that's good. Cool. Cool. Do, do, do. Okay, there we go. Sorry, Joe. Sorry. Where is Peter? uh, yes. Again, so IVP, we're going to keep this one unwatched as long as we stay above that $4 range, right? Because I bet you the rally is going to come at some point. Maybe we've had the rally again. I hope already. I hope not. I hope 470 was in the top, or 490, whatever the top was. But we'll keep it on watch here, and then decide later. For now, our main focus is Ruben here. See if we can. There really is nothing else in the market that's performing, is there? Let me look at the scanner here. Yeah. I think Bunny mentioned GTII. That one was on the watch list. It's done some things, right? Jameson mentioned SGD. So a few names, right? But for now, we're just mainly focused on these two. So IVP and Ruben the Goat. Ruben the Goat. Good morning, Paige. Good morning. Good morning. Varies at the highs of the day. Ooh, nice. Okay. VERI. Interesting. We need to pull that one up here. VERI. Veritone. Ooh, not bad at all, actually. Slow and steady, it seems. The volume isn't over a million yet, but it's like it doesn't look too bad. It looks like we've watched this one in the past because of that line up there, so that's not too bad. Interesting. Anyways, okay, this candle looks like it's breaking the trend here for Ruben, so this might be a good thing. Good morning, Kel. Looks like it might be a good thing. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so that candle broke the trend. So let's see if this candle now gives us a boom ski here. I think this candle is going to be important. Important. If we can break above 380, and then send it back to $4. Um, Ready? Let's see where this candle. So we have 40 seconds left on this candle. It's going to be really important. Yeah. Yes. 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 Come on. Come on. Uh. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay, so that candle at least gives us a higher low, right? And there we go. Perfect. That's a perfect close for that candle. So now we have another important candle. And I like how they scam it down first. Okay, perfect. Let's go, Pablo. You're home? Are you home? Pablo's not happy. He is not happy. Welcome home, Pablo. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. I hope it's snowing or raining. Unbelievable. Come on, just push already here. We need to get above 375. We need to get above 375 and then just send it. My goodness. Mm, Still on the beach? Yeah, he wishes. Only happens in Canada. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, that is true. What's Very doing here? Very still slowly pushing. Yeah, not bad. Again, it doesn't have the best volume, but that's a beautiful looking chart. Right, slow and steady, very highs on highs on highs on highs. Right, so yeah, see if we can break above 450 here for very. Again, Ruben just keeps going back and forth. I do like some of the wicks I see at the bottom of the candles for very. If only that thing would just break out, Unbelievable. Brand new candle, brand new wick on to the downside. If this candle gets back to 370, I think we're gonna send it. If if and yeah, so if you're holding very, congratulations. It needs to break out. Anyways, anyways, come on, come on. Sheesh. Starbucks is bouncing, Derek. Okay. Are you in a position? Do you need help with your position? Let me know. Let me know. 360. Uh, when I'm there, let's go, Pablo. Yes, please. Yes, please. I will pack my bags and come. There we go. 365. I do like the wicks that we're getting at the bottom of Ruben. We just need to push it. We just need to push it, but it's not doing it, is it? Come on. Like, the wicks are cool, but like, can we get some momentum on the way up? Seriously. Seriously. And as you can see, though, we have a whole bunch of wicks at that 375 on the way up as well. So we're going to need to break. So it's almost like we're building a base at the bottom, but we also have resistance really tight. So it's going to need to decide at some point here soon. I obviously want to see it go boom skis. I think it's going to go boom skis, but um, all these wicks are becoming a little bit annoying because we can't seem to stay above. We just keep going back down, up and back down, up and back down. Uh, to get an idea. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Pablo. Sounds good. IVP is still just chilling above $4. Very needs to clear 450, but it's done really well. TIVC again, nothing's really happened with this one. ISUN was a pre-market play. ENVB, nothing's happened. They're back to break even, so we'll just focus on the same names because nothing else is really moving, right? So, yep, we'll see. Mm, yeah, too much caffeine. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. NIVF. Interesting. Come on, come on. Too much caffeine. Oh, I see. Yep. I see. Yeah, that thing basically. That thing gave us more names than we wanted. Actually, yeah. That is too much caffeine. Again, so these names are not necessarily names to play with. When you look at the pre-market watch list and the momentum scanner, they're just like, like, okay, I'm going into the open. Like, you're almost better off looking at the top gainers channel. What really matters though is the names that come after the market opens, and it hasn't done any of that yet, right? So I'm surprised it didn't spit out Ruben, but oh well. Not like we missed it though, right? So not like we missed it. If we fail to hold above this level, then yeah, we go back and look for that previous break zone, right? So $3.30. See if we can consolidate and curl. Alrighty, but yeah, again, if you notice what's happened here today, though, the easier play today was if you were a legend member, right? This signal, if you took this signal, you made monies, right? That break of $2.90 or the retest, one of the two, right? You play the breakout or you play the retest, right? Once the market, once the market opens and everything else happens, it becomes a bit more complicated, doesn't it? Right? So again, I keep telling you guys, if you're not a member yet, if you're not a legend member yet, you're missing out. Your membership would have been paid for already, right? This is like the millionth time your membership would have been paid for, especially in the signal channel. So again, become a legend, right? From 290, $3, all the way to $4. Money's made. Let's go back to bed, please. Nap time. Kidding, not kidding. Anyways, John, what's your position in DTCK? What's your position? Because here we are retesting for Ruben now. Retesting. Retesting. Let me know. I know Gary's been spamming DTCK this morning. I really haven't paid attention to it though, but okay. Now you got in at $1.40. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, very failed to break above that 450 level, right? So really good run, but you really shouldn't be buying something that's testing a psychological level like that, anyways. So not a huge surprise. ISUN is going for the highs of the day. Your next resistance is 22 cents. DTCK. DTCK, you got in at $1.40. So you're basically just getting in now, or you're break even now. Um, okay, let me take a look. Um, John, is this I already don't like it. I already don't like it. The reason I say I already don't like it is because DTCK, immediately when you look at the daily chart and you go back 2 months, you go back 3 months, right? You go back 6 months. you can already tell that your entry is a bit of a problem, right? 150 is strong resistance. So this is February, this is March, this is April. Today, this is May, right? So your entry is a bit of a problem because that 150 is a huge wall. I really hope that we break above 150 because if we do, we might immediately just push to 175, and then you can smile and say, "Yes, I did it." Right? So, but yeah, $1.50 is some solid resistance, John. For now, what you should think about is really picking a stop loss. I'm in at this price. I'm not willing to lose more than this. This is my stop loss because you don't want to be in a position where you're holding this stock at $1.40, $1.50, and we come back down again to 99 cents because it's done that once, it's done it twice, it's done it three times. You don't want to come back to a dollar from $1.40, right? So for now, again, I would say whether your stop loss is $1.39, $1.40, a dollar, whatever, $1.35, $1.25, take a stop loss, set a stop loss. If we break above $1.50, happy days, pump it, right? Maybe at some point we're gonna have to break $1.50, right? Maybe today's the day, and then it can go all the way back up. That would be amazing. But if it doesn't happen, make sure you're protected. Alrighty, yeah. So, anyways, it looks like we're kind of bouncing for Ruben at close to that 330 level. That was the breakout zone. So let's see if we stay above it. Yeah, $1.45, Gary. Yeah. Again, John, Gary was spamming this stock all morning in Discord, and he sold at resistance while you bought it. So you bought it from Gary almost. I'm kidding, but he. So yeah, come join us in Discord, John. Come join us. So here we go, Ruben, with a nice little bouncy bounce. Nice little bouncy bounce. A nice bouncy bounce. Uh oh, interesting. Mm, perfect. In a hurry? No. Man, just again, just make sure you have a plan, right? So please, so you're not bag holding that stuff. Vary 450, and we're back to $4. So dipskis, dipskis. Come on, something give us a squeeze. Give us the squeeze. Give us the squeeze. Emissions. Emissions. One, two, three, four. Okay. For a month now. Thank you, Dave. Thank you. I'll pull it up. Yeah, because I could see that once. I saw that one spamming up the scanner there, but yeah, yeah, not too bad. It almost seems like it's the exact same resistance as DTCK. It's almost like I'm looking at the exact same chart, isn't it? So, but that's because most of the time, like this stuff is psychological, right? So when you think of $1.45 to $1.50 on any stock, it's resistance. Even if the stock has never failed at that level, it's resistance, right? So same thing with NIVF. So 145 to 150 resistance. See if we can break out. IVP just keeps bouncing off $4 for now. If that thing can break above $4.50, 4.55 actually. If it can break above 4.55 and close above 4.55, that would be perfect, right? Because then we can open the gates for testing the highs of the day and then sending it, and then sending it. Uh, Okay. 47 for DTCK. I'm gonna do splits. So ISUN filled at about 22 actually. DTCK 47, yeah. So that's what I mean. Like you don't always have to sell, but you should at least think of a stop loss. Like resistance is meant to be broken, right? So if you sell your stock every time at resistance, you're gonna regret it sometimes, right? There's nothing wrong with selling at resistance, but there will be times where the market says, "Oh yeah, regret these." Right, so I'm not saying like when I talk about resistance, I don't mean like you have to sell it at resistance. You just have to be aware. You have to think of scaling out. You have to think of having a stop loss, right? If I'm holding a stock at $3 and there's resistance at $4, once we get to $4, I'm like, okay, you should have a stop loss anyways. But especially at $4, you're like, okay, I'm in at $3. We're sitting at $4. Maybe I should put a stop loss at 380, 370, wherever you want to set your stop loss at. But you have to at least think about it, right? Because if it doesn't work out, that thing flushes immediately to $3, and then you're holding nothing. You know. Uh, uh, Thank you, Gary. Good luck to you as well. It's gonna take you all morning to get coffee. My goodness. My goodness. Okay. It's interesting. Interesting markets. PALTR. What is that, Marco? Palantir. Hold for 2 to 4 weeks. What was your intention when you initially got into that position, Marco? You need to give me the juice. When you bought that position, what were you thinking? Like, were you thinking of holding 2 to 4 weeks? A very large coffee. What was your plan when you initially did that? Let me know. Do. ISUNs. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Come on. I think Ruben is looking around and there's nothing else that's moving. And Ruben is like, okay, fine. I'll be the one to take you to the moon. Uh, there we go. Come on. Can we get back above 385 now, though? That's the next obstacle. 385. I'll be the one if you want me to. Um, yeah, Ruben has actually done well with the levels, right? Like initially we had to go back and test 290 and it worked out. And this time we had to go back and test 330 because that was the previous high, right? And it seems to be working out okay. So if you're simply just waiting for those levels, it seems to be working out for now. So I like when stocks are behaving like they're supposed to because they don't always behave the way they're supposed to, you know? You can do all the technicals you want, and then the stock says, "Oh yeah, you think so? Suck it, suck it, suck it." Na na na. Yeah, everything just seems to be sleeping. DTCK is back to $1.50 almost, right? So DTCK is sitting at the highs of the day now. So that again, that's what I mean by you do not have to sell at resistance. You should have a plan at resistance, though, right? So, John, you're still in your position. What's your stop loss at now? What is your position? What is your position? Uh, Here we go. 377, 378, 379. Going once, 380. We need that 385. Just give us a breakout. Just give us a squeeze. There we go. Ooh, 390. Oh my goodness, that was a scam candle. 392. 42. Okay, at least in the green. At least in the greens. At least in the greens. There we. Oof, 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 oof. Somebody call 911. Oof. There we go. So at least we hit a high of $4 and 440 actually. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Keep sending it. Keep sending it, please. Uh, Come on. So now our next obstacle, 420, 420, 420, 420. See if we can break above that. Oof, that looks nice. Uh, this is glitching way more often than I like now. Way more often. There we go. 420. 420. Ooh, oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So we hit $4.30 again and then came back down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So $4.40 and then 4.35 on the second candle. If you're still in this, type in yes in the chat. So, I mean, you can kind of see what I mean by, the people that make more money in this are the people that are willing to give some back, right? Just don't give all of it back, right? Because again, you can clearly see what we've done, right? We broke above that 90. We came back to retest it. We broke above. We came back to retest 330. You just have to be aware that stuff like that is going to happen, right? You just have to be aware that it's going to happen, right? So, Bradley, monies, monies. There we go, monies. 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 There we go. 430. Come on. Give us more. Anyways. Yeah. Gail, keep readjusting that stop loss. Say yes. Let's go, Bradley. Congratulations. So there we go. We're retesting the highs of the day again. I think this thing is doing well because look around. There's nothing else pumping, right? Nothing else. So if we look around and there's nothing else pumping, well, we just keep playing with the same name, right? Especially if it's not crashing. So again, I will keep reminding you, if you're not a legend yet, what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? So we just made new highs of the day, by the way, on that candle. Just made new highs on that candle. And then we came back down. So 445. We want more, Bradley says. Move your stop loss up, please. Move your stop loss up. Move your stop loss up, please, and thank you. Again, if you're not a legend member yet, that was your signal, right? That was your signal. That was the stock of the day. That was the signal of the day. Right. So again, that break of 290, it's pretty nice, huh? Right. So and again, that stop loss, even though it's only 10 cents, the stop loss was never tested once. Right. So congratulations if you got in before that. In after that, congratulations if you're making monies, and let's go. Let's go. La, 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 la. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it looks like we're stalling at the top there again. So at some point we might come back and retest $4, or anywhere between $4 and 385, which is okay, right? Anywhere between that range. Thank you, Wes. Teamworks. Anywhere between that range. Alrighty. So as long as we stay above, like you've seen what's happened, right? We break out, we come back. We break out, we come back. So anywhere above that range, in between that range, should be okay, right? Because you know we're gonna come back and retest it, and here comes a retest, right? It's always a retest. So that was a pretty aggressive breakout. Pretty aggressive. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. Come on, come on. And here comes our retest. As expected. As expected. MULN is at 660? Really? Dang. Sheesh, MULN. MULN's become a better stock than Tesla. A better stock than Tesla. Sorry, virus. Sorry. Sorry. DTCK is still testing the highs there. So yeah, again, that $1.50 is a pretty strong level. I'm clipping that. And NIVF is also retesting that $1.50 range. So you can come back later with it, virus. Yeah, no, Tesla's a Tesla is a good company. The people that be just don't like Elon. So that's pretty hard to fight against. Pretty hard to fight against. You know, if someone can just like magically pull out an investigation out of nowhere and the stock goes down like 7%, sheesh. Tesla has been investigated for defrauding investors. Like, where do you pull that rubbish out of? Right? If you can just magically pull stuff like that, I'm not sure I want to be yeah. You know they're gonna deny that FSD stuff, right? And then the stock is gonna crash more. You know they're gonna deny it. Gonna be like, FSD, yeah, not safe. And and if Biden wins elections, that's gonna be the death of Tesla. I promise. Tesla's gonna need to move to China or something like that. Or move to Canada and just list on the TSX or like the Hong Kong exchange. Or go private. Is that simple? Uh, Wait, not unlocked. Uh, they want it before China. They aren't happy about China. That's why. I don't think they want it before China. I don't think they want it after China. Um, I don't think so. Uh, yeah. Otherwise, because China really hasn't approved anything yet. Otherwise, they would have said, "Come on, let's do it." But instead, they put out an investigation. That doesn't seem like going the right direction. Buy a small country and make new laws. That's just last plan. That doesn't seem like a good plan, does it? They don't allow short selling. Katie, exactly. President might have something to do with battery development. Yeah, Mullen with saving alone pays for itself in 6 months. Bill, at this point, people are gonna buy Mullen before they buy Tesla. Tesla's yeah. Then the next news article that comes out of Tesla better be good. Otherwise, Tesla's done. If Tesla goes below 150 or below that previous low, Tesla is going to $50. I'm gonna trash Tesla all day and then watch tonight. They're gonna come out with good news. I don't care though. Uh, Loads of small islands to buy. That's not a good plan. Then human, especially in Ontario. Oh, absolutely. I think Tesla. I think Tesla has amazing. I think Tesla is an amazing company, and I think like the US should like hail, say hail Tesla. Come on, because but it doesn't work like that, does it? Does it ever work like that? It's never worked like that. It's politics, isn't it? So yeah, people. I mean, like people don't really care about like you think they care about people's lives more than they care about making monies. Since when was that a real thing? So Tesla could save lives and nobody gives a damn. I bet you the companies out there that could cure cancer, you think anybody gives a damn? Nope. Nope. So yeah, right, you think anybody cares about saving lives? So yeah, so Tesla's gonna go to the abyss if they don't if Elon keeps fighting everybody. They better come up with good news. Oh, Tesla's on the verge of dying. Tesla, like one more bad article, that thing's gonna go straight to zero. Exactly, virus. So is whatever Tesla is doing. Insurance companies. You think insurance companies want to struggle with? Anyways, Ken, thank you. Now, following you on as a legend member, just made the money back I lost this morning trying to navigate pre market myself. No trying pre market for me. Let's go, Ken. Welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, and I'm glad you made monies. Also, learning a lot from during the sessions. Thanks, very much appreciated. Thank you very much, Ken, for the feedback. I really appreciate that. Ken just became a member 2 days ago, guys. So again, if you're not a member, if you're not a legend member, right, you're missing out, right? Sky, I absolutely agree. I absolutely agree. I like Tesla. To be fair, I also like Elon. I don't think Elon is doing anything wrong. I'll tell you that. Like, I think somebody should be doing what he's doing, but the world is just messed up, right? Yeah. So yeah. I don't think anybody's doing anything wrong, but it doesn't work like that. So it is what it is. So then you have to decide: are you willing to? No thanks. Bye, Tesla. You do it again? Yeah. Yeah, with Tesla puts. No, exactly, virus, exactly. But is that going to change though? Is that going to change ever? Ever, ever? Right? The answer is no. So I mean, we see how like bad things are getting, right? Like people are like, like people in power now just do things like out in the open now. Like I think like back in the day, it used to be like, hey, here's the reason, but the reason is a lie, right? Nobody cares anymore, right? So it only gets worse. It only gets worse. So the more Elon fights that, the more like the damn stock goes to the abyss, right? So yup. Let's see if we can consolidate around this level, like exactly where we're at now, between 370 and 375. Bill, let's see if we can consolidate there. On hot trades for an interview, Tesh. Yeah, yes. Tell Elon, come on, let's roast. Exactly, Kimbella. Yeah, exactly, Sky. Exactly. The mouth is the problem. Exactly. Tesla is amazing. Elon is cool. The mouth is the problem, though. Elon is too rich to care about the investors, though, right? Elon's too rich to care about investors. Also, Elon is one of those people that like wants to change the world and like nothing else really matters, right? So when you when you're someone like that, amazing, right? Because you can be influenced, which is perfect, which is what society needs, right? But you're fighting against like that no work. That no work does it. So yeah, yeah, yup. Anyways, let me look at my calendar here to schedule. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. It's getting easily. Yeah. 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 So yeah, like I said, don't get me wrong. Like I don't hate Tesla. I don't hate Elon. Right. I mean, like we've seen what Tesla is doing in terms of like cars and driving and energy and robots. Like all really cool stuff. Right. It's all really cool stuff. And then Elon, standing up for the people. All really amazing. Doesn't matter though, does it? Doesn't matter. Uh, so, anyways, so NIVF looks good, and so does DTCK. So DTCK finally broke above that 150 zone. It finally broke above 150. Are you still in that position, John? Are you still in your position? Because there might have been a scam candle there from a dollar 50. Yeah. So both of these stocks, they both look the same. They're almost exactly the same. Right. So NIVF broke above a dollar 50. DTCK broke above a dollar 50. You could say, yeah, yup, yup. So yeah, you can love Elon in Tesla. The question is, are you willing to put money there though? Because the stock is gonna get destroyed. Um, if FSD doesn't get approved, which I don't know if it will, that thing will get destroyed. So Virus says yes. It's too late, Virus. It's too late. Let me go look for some Tesla puts actually. Uh, Let me go look for some 2025 Tesla puts because Tesla is going to be at $25. And you've opted. Love it, John. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah, and it almost looks like it has like crazy candles, DTCK, which is pretty stupid, but because NIVF looks way better. NIVF is just pumping. Let me go look for some Tesla puts. Stop it, Wes. Anyways, yeah, let's get back to business. Yeah, no, so NIVF looks good. So that 150 break and close, that was perfect. Um, yeah, that was perfect. Oh wow, that thing is on fire there. Oh my goodness. 69%, 70%. Dang. It's a pretty nice push. Palantir. What's his face? Somebody bought more Palantir. One of the big bears on Twitter bought some Palantir. Why are we talking about CVNA puts? Yeah, we need to talk about CVNA puts. CVNA. That one up homeless? No, it's okay. It's okay. Tesla was that was before Elon was on that was before Elon was very vocal about all the stuff he's vocal about now. That was before. I think Elon entered a new realm of like you know. Also, when Tesla was making people homeless, like the market was pumping. Now the market goes to all-time highs. Tesla goes to 52-week lows. Good morning, Steve. Good morning. Yeah, so it looks like Ruben is holding that. It's kind of holding that 370 level bill, right? So it's trying, right? So again, if you look to the left-hand side, yeah, like that was kind of the range we were playing with before the breakout. So it's trying. Let's see if we can curl back up above it again. Get back to $4, holding the 50. So make sure you have a good stop loss. Dell, slow and steady. Okay. Dell. La, 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 la. It goes 384. Do, 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 do. News, the Kazoo news. I haven't looked at that one this morning yet, Pablo. Let me take a look. Ski. Kazoo always seemed like a I don't see the news. It's not up here on TradingView. It maybe because it's halted still. It went la 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 until 2023. Yeah, kazoo, ala kazoo. Na. Peloton, the rumor. $4 calls for next month, please and thank you. Yeah, so Peloton, we've said this so many times. Like, I think eventually Peloton will get bought out, even though it's not performing now. The question is, when will they get bought out, right? So my concern yesterday was just because, yes, the buyout rumors, but you look at the resistance, it's right there, right? Like, so we basically just ran to resistance. Like, we went from the bottom straight to initially like to resistance, 420, right? So the again, I think they will get bought out at some point, but then you're just waiting. Like, the question is when, right? So I almost thought like Amazon would buy them out, or like Apple would buy them out, somebody like that. Amazon especially. Yeah, it's just a matter of time, I feel. The question is, will that be before like your puts expire though, right? So hopefully it's in the next month or so. Because I again, like, honestly, Peloton as an investment, meh. Uh, right? Peloton as a gamble on a buyout though, yeah, not bad. Yeah, a good, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think you're good for now. No. Watch, if Tesla goes from red to green today, oh, the chat is gonna fight me. Virus is gonna say they didn't believe in me. God did. No, it's okay. It's okay. Tesla's yep, waiting for 150. Yeah, the balance here. Yeah, let me take a look. Yeah, that's not too bad actually. Yeah, it almost seems like we just came back for the second retest. So off like $21, 21 to 20, 21 to 20 virus. It just almost seems like a daily double bottom, right? So like right there, across the same demand zone. So if we can stay above that level, yeah, I'm too red between yesterday and today. Next week, maybe, maybe. Or Tesla, yeah. One more bad news for Tesla, I think, and then I think it's done. One more negative thing, I think people are gonna be like, yeah, you know what, guys, that's it, that's it, that's it. I'm done with this company. So Tesla, so that thing better stay above 170, because if it goes below 170, I think Tesla is going straight to the abyss. So if you're holding Tesla, you better pray, because you're gonna need a miracle. Mm, no, 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 no. Mini flush. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It looks like we failed to get back above the 9, the 20, and the kernel, and so we dipped back down here. It almost looks like like a head and shoulder, an inverse head and shoulder. We can stay above 345. Let's see. Yeah. Down half. Yeah. Oh wow. Really? Oh my goodness, virus. That's a lot of monies. This week because of Tesla. Yeah. See, that's what I don't like about Tesla. That's what I don't like is yeah. Yep. But all good, yeah. No, the good thing is you have time on those options, virus. So you should be I wanted to say you should be good, but yeah. Yep. I hope Tesla can find a way to come out on top. I really hope so. because again, I think it's an amazing company. I think they're doing something that's really amazing for for the society. Um, right. But do I want my monies there though? That's a different question. Different question. So tomorrow, when the stock is if the stock pumps tomorrow, don't come back and be like, "But you said, oh my god." No, like I think the company's amazing. But I think they're fighting against the powers that be, though, right? Fighting against them. So that's a whole different decision you have to make. So nah, it's too late. Yeah, vertical to zero. No, 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 no. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. uh, uh, hmm. Okay, I hope I cancelled. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, ahead of the merger closing end of the week. Let's see if I can log in then. Uh, uh, yeah, it looks like Ruben is struggling then. Struggling. If Tesla hits, I'll buy the whole thing. Yeah, don't worry, it will be soon. Email. Accepted. Perfect. Uh, that should maintain its attractiveness. Yeah, no, I hope. Yeah, Kimbella, absolutely. I agree. I agree. I agree. I agree. I think. Yeah. Yes, absolutely. What's your position, Jerry? It looks really good. Like it looks really, really good. This stock is another perfect, example of a breakout and a retest, Jerry. So 150 resistance, breakout, retest, and then pop again. So it looks really good. I'm just not sure where your position is. What am I looking at? Yeah, of handling. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Bill, you're in at 398. What's your stop loss at, Bill? 398. What's the stop loss at? You cannot wait for a bounce. I hope it bounces. I hope this is a double bottom because we bounced off this level last time and we went to new highs. You cannot wait for a bounce though. You can never let the decision. You never leave your decision like to the stock. You make the decision and then the stock can do whatever it wants. Right. So if you bought that thing at 398, $4 basically, set a stop loss 390, 380 something. Right. Uh, yeah, don't yeah, don't because you're hoping for balance. That thing has had a really good run today already. Like it's had a really good run. That stock was at $1.75 yesterday. uh right, so and then all the way to $4, 4.50. That's a pretty good run. So if this thing decides to go to the abyss now, so always use a stop loss, please. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. See virus. Yeah, I know. Yeah, see, that's a lot of monies, right? to be down on Tesla. So that's what I don't that's what I don't want, virus. Yeah. Virus. 4 week late. Yeah. So when I say Tesla can, yeah, no, absolutely, Wes. I hope it bounces. I hope Tesla bounces. The other one, yeah, uh, Ruben. I hope it bounces. I feel so relieved though from Tesla. Oof, I feel relieved. I don't care what Tesla does. Oh my goodness. Oof. Tesla is actually pumping. The more we trash it, the more Tesla pumps. The more we trash it, the more it's pumping. Not doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. 382. But you had a stop loss at 55 West initially, but moved it up to 73, and I was about to move it all the way up before it hit. Yeah, West. Honestly, I like that. I prefer that. Because you take that 10-cent loss, right? You take that 10-cent loss, you can make this that 10 cents back on the same stock. Like, look at this double bottom, right? Like, imagine if you just bought this thing back at 325, that double bottom right there, and it goes up to 335, you made the money back. Whereas if you sit there and you let it go like 373, 360, now you're sitting at 30 cents, 40 cents, and now you're like, okay, I needed to go all the way back up there to be break even. So, like, taking small losses, guys, is okay. It's completely okay, right? What happens is, so when you take smaller losses, what will happen is you will start look if you're taking way too many small losses, you will start thinking of like, oh, okay, maybe my entries are not good enough. I need to start looking for better entries. Like, that will help you out, right? It will actually help you out. You can say, you know what, like, I'm taking too many 5 cent losses, maybe because my entries are ass. I said it, right? So my entries are not good. So, like, I need to find a way to look for better entries. Um, so taking small losses is okay. That's fine. Because imagine if you diamond handed this thing, you're like, oh my god, virus. I knew you were gonna say something. You know, like, it's better than holding this thing from $4 all the way down, and then you're down 70 cents instead of 5 cents, instead of 10 cents, right? Um, so it's 2024 virus. Yep. 2024. Tesla can suck it. Oh my days. Na, 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 na. Yup. SGD looks like, yeah, that's a nice run. IVP broke below $4. Oof. Yeah. 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 So 325 double bottom. So if you're playing with SGD, guys, just look to the left hand side. There's that 60 cents resistance now. There's a triple top there. So there's your resistance. History does not repeat, but it rhymes. So again, resistance. Ready? Yeah. Kazoo. Yep. Halakazu. What do you think of MULN? Will it reach $8 today? I think MULN is better than Tesla. I mean, MULN's up 16%. Tesla is about to be extinct. I'm kidding. Um, yeah, you bought this thing at $7, right? 7.30, yeah, and it's gone from like four something to almost $7. Corral. So please make sure you make a decision. No, no, no. Yeah, isn't that crazy, Pablo? That a company is about to be liquidated and then it explodes, it pumps. That's because the shorts know and they're most likely covered, and then reshorted something. I don't know. I bet you they just covered. Yeah, isn't that crazy, Wes? One day the company is doing well, it's seen. Now they're liquidating. Isn't that crazy? Like that's crazy, 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 crazy. And you know what's crazy is like, somebody knows that this is coming, right? People knew this was coming like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I bet you that's why the stock was pumping, either so people could get rid of their short positions, right, or they could short at the top. Somebody knew this was coming. So why isn't stuff like this investigated? Like why, like why? They just shut it down for liquidation. Are you kidding? Imagine if you're stuck in that company and then they're gonna go investigate Tesla instead. Crazy. Let me look at Dell. Yeah, yeah, it looks nice. It looks very nice, Wes. So it looks like that double bottom is still holding for now on Ruben. Just be careful though, because I think if we break below that level, it's going to be a bit of an issue. Uh, yeah, Ruben is struggling there. What time is it? No, 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 no. As one thing, liquidation is rest in peace. Exactly, Pablo. Yeah, so if you're still in Ruben, you need it to stay about 325. Like we can go below, but you need that candle to close above. Otherwise, we go back and retest the 200. But I've said multiple times, there's always a chance if we stay above the 200, but still, right? So regardless of how good a stock looks, regardless of how amazing it looks, you always have to make sure you have a plan, right? I'm buying at this price. This is my stop loss, right? And you need to come up with that plan initially. Alrighty, so hopefully we stay above 325 here and then rip back up, hold and send it. Okay. Yup, yup. Yeah, no, looks good, Wes. That was almost a double bottom there. Uh, and then what's the low of the day here? What you know? Okay, keep track of that. Yup. From is now listed at 30 million dollars. Yup, 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 yup. That's all I got to say about MULN. Yep, yep. No, absolutely, I agree. I agree. I agree. I agree. But watch, MULN is going to perform better than Tesla in 2024. Tesla is going to be at $50. MULN is going to be at $10. Hmm. Anyways, thank you, Pablo. Yeah, Vuri doesn't look too bad here. Okay, let me pull up. NNE Nano Nuclear. Not a bad price for an IPO. It's halted as these IPOs usually are. So on watch. Let me go see. No. The benchmark company. So 3 million shares and $4 IPO. So they opened at the yeah, so 360. 360. Let's see what happens here. One original share of Tesla. Yeah, that's where it's going in the next year, really. Yeah. Lots of recent technical signals for Dell. Yep. Okay, I'll send that over to. Uh, okay. Okay, let me see what this looks like actually. uh, oh, okay. Okay. No. Uh, okay. Tens of yeah, tens of miles. Now halted. Yeah, no, it's been halted for some time now. Kazoo. Yeah, Kazoo. What's Ruben doing? So Ruben is still trying to hold that 325 bill. So hopefully it stays above. Alrighty. Cousin, what's your position in NIVF? Please let me know. Please and thank you. The IPO is still halted here, guys. And yeah, so if you have a question, just let me know where your position is, and I'll take a look. Just because I'm not sure what you're asking for. Uh, no. In at 150, looking to get out at $2.50. Okay. So you're kind of just you're close to your entry, but it was a good breakout. So you basically bought the breakout. Uh, I'm hesitating a bit because I wonder if we go back and retest that breakout, right? If we go back and retest $1.50 here, um, that last dip was $1.60. So I would almost hope, or if I was in that position, honestly, I might even consider setting a stop loss at $1.59 and then dealing with it later. Um, and then just moving the stop loss as time goes on, cousin. Had an alert. So back in at 27 cm. Okay, okay, okay. Sounds good. Yeah, it's fighting here, isn't it? Like Ruben is fighting that range, fighting, fighting, fighting. Yeah, and the IVP seems to be holding for now. Again, we're gonna keep this one on watch until something happens. But yeah, and nine still halted them. You're welcome. Who's on the phone? Allow Tesla to exist to copy homework off of. Yeah, see that even that is not the best for Tesla, is it? Not exactly amazing news for Tesla, you know? Not amazing news for Tesla. Telling you, Tesla's gonna have to move to China to succeed. Um, they're gonna have to move to China. This before, and I know you don't do OTC, but IGPK has been so far 3 times in okay. Let me take a look. IGPK. Okay. IGPK. Yeah, it looks like NIV. Like, yeah, these things always go back to retest, right? So that thing actually looks really nice today, up 35%. But again, like it's one of those micro penny stocks, right, Steve? So that's usually my only concern with these things is, but they can do some like really nice runs though. Yeah, yeah, that's not too bad actually. Yeah, nice. This one's like a scalp of taste, Steve. Penny stock scalpies. Avoiding accidents. Oh, I know. We watched that video yesterday. Just yesterday, we were watching the video, and I said how impressive it was. I think it's impressive. And Tesla is impressive. Don't think anybody comes close to what Tesla is doing with those damn cars. Not even close. We watched a video of like the Waymo going the opposite way on the road, and we watched a video of Tesla leaving a parking garage, navigating one ways and traffic and construction and highways and all the way home. That's impressive. But it's not about that though. It's about Elon and politics. So it's not about that. Elon wanted to fight the powers, right? So to everyone, well, they better because that's good. That's the only thing that's going to save them. And also, the technology is not been approved, so these companies are not going to pay for it if it's not going to get approved. So, yep. So they better, Elon better get on his knees soon and go ask nicely. For the moment, MTC. Okay. From the GL, nice. Fight with Elon. La, la, la. Yeah, right. It was like a blind dude in the and a NASCAR driver in the second. Seriously, Dan. Seriously, like it's impressive. You would hope though, like you would really hope that society would come to like their senses and say, you know what, this is amazing. Like this is gonna save people's lives. Like this is amazing technology, right? And it's not just that; it's all the other things that the company does. Um, you would hope that politics would be out of the question, and we would have. But if that was the case, though, we would have a cure for cancer, right? So until we have a cure for cancer, you can Tesla can go to the abyss. So, anyways, back to Ruben and 3:30 uh, in a row of ducks. It doesn't matter though. Yeah. So, yep. So the day we have a cure for cancer, you can invest in Tesla. Say yay Tesla. Until then, I would trash Tesla. Even if Tesla goes up, I'm still gonna trash it. Until Tesla is sitting at 1,000, then I'll say, okay, fine, fine. Okay, let me go back to that IPO. Ooh, that IPO is pumping, Pablo. Oof. Oh my goodness, that thing is pushing. Dang. Wow. Hmm. It's halted up again, actually. La 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 la. That's the point, Gary. That's the point. Right? If Tesla has technology that's saving people's lives on the road, are they gonna approve it? No. Uh, 2030. 2030. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe. Uh, yeah, exactly, virus, exactly. So that's so we're not saying Tesla is trash. Well, we are, but we're not saying they're doing anything wrong. We're just saying like it's not about the company. It's way more about other things. Why? Because Elon opened his mouth, and we're not saying Elon is doing anything wrong. We're just saying that's just how it is, right? So you fight with Elon, you potentially make a lot of monies, or you go to zero. I don't know if you can, Dan. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can. I'm just saying that's how stuff works, and that's yeah. Yup. So so yeah. So one of these days, more news is gonna come out, and Tesla is gonna open at $2, or it's gonna open at 200. It's halted up. No way, Dan. No way. Uh, no way. Let me look. Kazoo's halted up. Wait, so it crashed 30. It crashed to $4 and then halted up at 650. See, you missed the zeros. Wow, crazy, crazy. Hmm. Okay. La. Uh, good test. Yeah, let's test that out. Okay. Ruben seems to be building a really nice base there, though, doesn't it? So as long as those candles keep closing about 325. Well, okay. Question for you guys in the chat: if you believe that Tesla is gonna go to, if you believe that Tesla is gonna prevail, type in yes. If you don't, type in no. Let's see who wins. Let me know if you think Tesla will prevail. Type in yes. If you think they're gonna go to the abyss, type in no. No, 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 no. Eventually, eventually, eventually. MULN. MULN will prevail. Yes, period. See, the fact that everybody thinks yes is why Tesla is going to go to zero. I'm becoming the biggest Tesla hater, you know? I know you do, Virus. I know you do. I mean, Elon always finds a way to come out on top. But I think he's taking a pretty big fight, though. So this fight to me is different. I think if somebody else doesn't win the elections, I think Tesla's done skis. So your investment has the next few months to really prove itself, and after that, done. Uh, because I left my car at the yard. Oh my goodness, Joe. Sheesh, sheesh. 10 a.m. Uh, buying at 7:30. 112. It's left. Oh, is that IPO live? Yeah, it's it unhalted and then halted up. Well, I think actually it popped and then no, it's actually halted up again. Jeez, I think just sending it details. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. That's yeah. To say cell phone and other technology. Yeah, I don't think Tesla's like I get like expanding and Tesla doesn't kill as many people and this and that. Like to me, Tesla's issue isn't the company. I think it's an amazing company. The issue isn't Tesla. The issue is is politics, right? So like Tesla can do whatever they want, in my opinion. They can cure, they can go to the moon and come back. I Somebody's gonna find a way. If Elon keeps going down that path, someone's gonna find a way to always slap Tesla down. So uh, let's go, Joe. Let's go. Virus. Yeah. So again, I don't think it has anything to do with what the company is doing. Because if that was any other company doing what they're doing, I think it's impressive. And I think that company would be hailed like, oh my goodness, we're so close to flying cars. Like this is like movie stuff, you know? I mean, Apple made stupid like cell phones, and these guys were crushing it. They also made a lot of money, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, Yeah, it halted. Oh my, look, wait, that thing is back to $8? Oh my goodness. What happened to liquidation? Oh my goodness, Kazu. Look, seriously. Wait. That thing went down 50% and now it's back all the way up? Sheesh. From liquidation to like, oh, okay, never mind. I wonder what's happening. I don't know. Yeah, crazy. Uh, okay, perfect. 80, 52. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it really is like MNDR. Yeah. Uh, in advance. Back up, you are Troy. Okay, sounds good. Yup. Yeah. So if that happens, say goodbye to Tesla. I mean, already say goodbye to Tesla because Tesla is already going to the abyss. But seriously, Gary, that's exactly what it is. So you can kind of see, right? So if you can see what he's going through, and you can kind of see what Trump is gonna go, what Elon is gonna go through, like, eesh, eesh. Yeah, you can like the company. Not sure I want to put my monies there though, but that's just me. Unless you do YOLO options for 2020, never. Uh, no. Troy, just so you can take a screenshot. That I was in it. I was in it. Viri still stalling below that supply. Ruben is still just kind of sitting there. It's lost a lot of momentum. So at this point, make sure you have a good stop loss. Look at that thing go. Oh my goodness, guys. Damn. Nine is at $6. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's unhalted and it's on fire. Sheesh. Wow. 6:30. Oh my goodness. Damn. And look at how quickly it drops though. Typical IPO. Typical IPO. MULN, yeah, MULN looks nice. I'm telling you guys, like MULN is a better investment than Tesla these days. Like look at MULN. MULN is a better investment than Tesla. Look at MULN. Look at MULN's performance. MULN is back to 730. There's a lot of resistance up here for MULN. Look at this. Look, these guys gave MULN. So let me pull up this news, okay? I think MULN is an absolute trash of a company, right? But then MULN got a what is that contracting? Warrants moving. MULN la 2 days ago. Where's that stupid contract MULN got? Oh, I can't seem to find it. And class 4 commercial trucks, blah blah blah. Uh, yeah, like stuff like this, right? Like MULN is out there getting like look at that. MULN is out there getting discounts on the vehicles. $45,000 cash voucher? Are you kidding? For a MULN? Wow, crazy, crazy. But that's business. MULN was out there. The CEO of MULN was out there doing nice things to nice people. You know, did he? I'm kidding. But yeah, the stock is behaving. Look at that. Damn. Zero. But that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Did you? That's what I'm saying, John. And look at Mullen go. Like you see Tesla doing this. Tesla has a lot of cars out there. You see Tesla doing this though. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Wow. When Mullen offering? It's the question. When's Mullen gonna take advantage of this? But all I'm trying to say is like it's yeah, like it's more than what the company does. It's more than what the company does. A lot more to do with other factors. Lasers creeping up. Yeah, Elon tweeted last night that they no longer use laser. Is it laser luminar? Somebody for like their on this and Mullen pumps. Bad things happen to you, Dan. Oh my goodness. You better not touch another stock, Dan. Sit on your hands. No more futures. No more futures for today. Yeah, Mullen has a lot of resistance here. A lot of it. It's pretty smooth. It really is, West. Like when Mullen goes, yeah, it really is. Like it's like higher low, higher low, higher low. Like Mullen is a beautiful, beautiful stock when it behaves. Oh my goodness. Tesla crashing, Mullen pumping. Oof. How the tables have turned. 5 years down the road, Mullen is at $20, Tesla's at $20. Uh, na, na. Na. Crazy. Yeah. Yup, yup, yup. There you go. Last night it keeps it helps a lot. Super. Okay, good, Hamza. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Yeah. So that's really all you need. That's really all you need. Just look at that. Don't read too much into it, right? You can also add like the volume indicator to your candles, and you can just if you put your mouse over the candle, it shows you exactly what the volume is. But honestly, when it comes to volume, like I don't read too much into it. I know people love looking at volume. I don't care too much, more than what we have. From the indicator, for example, like buys and sells coming in, relative volume. Also, like just looking at stuff like this, like average volume and then volume for the day, stuff like this. Like I just keep it simple. So just keep it simple. If the average volume for a stock is 1 million and today it's sitting at 5 million, I know that thing has vibes. That's all I need to know. And then after that point, it's all about the technicals for me. All about the technicals. Yeah, Ruben just keeps fighting with this level here. And if it's gonna curl again. Anyway, so this is the brand new IPO, NNE. If you need to know anything else about this IPO, Yee's posted all the information in Discord already. It looks like SGD is pumping. Kazu's on halted, guys, and it's crashing again. So that thing is a waste of time. It just seems like a hard machine. So it looks like we finally broke above for SGD here. Finally broke out. Ah, maybe it's gonna have like an SGBX type run. Yep. 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 When's the next MULN reverse split? Right after they go to $1,000 and buy Tesla. I'm kidding. Anyways, yeah, Ruben is still holding, so that's good. And MULN is really fighting that resistance here now. You want to know where this level is coming from? If I look at the daily, that's your dream. If I look at the daily for MULN, you're going to see that we've been here a few times, right? Like the last run we had, we struggled at this level in between like 730 and 750. So if MULN can clear that level, that it would be good. But as you can see, we ran smoothly for the most part. This is the longest we've stalled at a level. That's because it's a big level, right? So that's because it's a big level. Safe and green. Okay. Interesting gap. Interesting gapsies. Okay, we go for 740. $7.40. There you go, 740. Oof, look at MULN. Look at MULN go. 750, guys. Okay. Interesting. Sounds good. Trash. Funny. Yeah, MULN just keeps going back and forth in that range because there's a lot of resistance there. And Dipskis. Right, so solid. If you're playing with MULN, just be aware. This should not be a big surprise. If we crash from this level, don't be like, oh my god, but why? Oh my god, 400. Dennis, if MULN can find a way to close above 750, maybe, then maybe, maybe. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us. Uh, it breaks my heart. They didn't believe in us. I know, virus. I know. I know. I know. You know, it's just, yeah. You know what I mean? It's, you watch us win. I would like to watch winning though. I would like to. I would like to virus. It breaks my heart. They didn't believe in us. They wanted us down, but look at us now. I hope so, virus. This I know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep, yep. That is an anthem. I like listening to that song on the treadmill. I like when yeah. Uh, you have a question in Discord? What's your question? I see your chart, not your question. No. Let me know. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. No, I hope virus. I hope we can sing that. I hope you can sing that song to Tesla one day. But when I look and I'm like, damn, Trump is a billionaire. This dude has monies. This dude has monies. This dude is a billionaire. And they drag the dude through the streets. They drag the dude through the streets. What do you think? What do you think happens to Tesla and Elon? Sheesh. Anyways, trend line. So can you let me know if you want to buy MULN this level? No. Again, Hamza, you can see that resistance we're talking about, right? So that level we're talking about 730, 750. If MULN is below that level, you want to be careful. I'm a fast typer. Yeah, I took typing classes in the village, you know. So yeah, so I just sit there and type all day. Same stupid words. Yeah, so when you look at that resistance, there might be a trend, but it needs to break and close above that level. He uses hands a lot. Yeah. 525. Okay. Okay. That's good. Yeah. So, yeah, no, Hamza, what I'm saying is like if you look at that daily, right? Look at the daily, zoom out, and then look at that resistance. If you see that double top, regardless of what the trend says for MULN, like obviously the trend is up for MULN, but MULN is no go until we break out of this range. Right? We need to clear this resistance here. What's the future for MULN? Better than Tesla. Why? Because the CEO doesn't go out fighting people on you know, the CEO isn't out there fighting people. Uh, anyways, you want to see what's happening on Twitter right now? I bet you Elon is fighting somebody. Let's search Elon. I bet you he's fighting somebody. Okay, so 13 hours ago, he pinned something about FSD. Again, like this is really cool. Like I really agree. He said like FSD will blow your mind, and I think it's mind blowing. You know, 28 minutes of more of screen time. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. Uh, Notifications. Now Elon is fighting the Canadian government. You know, terrible attack on the rights of Canadians to speak freely. See, that's the type of stuff. That's the type of stuff. Oh lordy. Yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna say anything before. I am not saying anything. Dan, I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. Look at this. Like, look at that, right? He's fighting against all these like Googles and Metas and everybody, like fighting against everybody, all the countries, all the big companies, everybody. So, anyways, uh, there we go. Everybody's. Anyways, yeah, Mullen really needs to break out. It looks like it will eventually. So it needs to break and hold above 750, consolidate, and then send it higher. 69 cents, I think just immediately pop. Yeah, it did. It did. It did. It did. I'm not saying anything, no. Not saying anything. Anyways, yeah, SGD looks nice. It's a nice pop. No, 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 no. 69 cents. Well, I mean, they've made that clear in Canada though. I don't think they can make that clear in the States because people would fight. I don't want to. Anyways, I'm just gonna mind my own business. I'm just minding my own business. I Let's not talk about Tesla anymore because we know where it's going. Let's not talk about Elon anymore because we know where he's going, moving to China. Um, Other than that, let's talk about MULN instead because MULN is an amazing stock. MULN is the best. Yep. Tesla be lucky to ever be up to 30% ever again. So, exactly, virus. And where is he now? Hmm. They need a new one. I'm not saying anything. I almost said something. I am not saying anything. I know what happened in the village. I know what happened in the village. My people said something, and half of them are underneath the earth, and the other half hiding. So, anyways, I am just gonna mind my own business. La la la. Look at the right hand corner. I'm gonna take the rocket off. I'm gonna take the rocket off, please. Anyways, anyways, once it goes below, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see. Trying to stay above the split price. Yeah, it really needs to stay above that price. It's gonna need to run at some point today. Don't worry. At some point, Tesla's gonna need that much to get back to where it's at today. Kidding, not kidding. Choo, 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 choo. Mullen is still, yeah, still fighting in that range. Need some water. Okay, let's do 15 more minutes and then we're gonna hop off, so I can stop talking about. See, if something was squeezing, we wouldn't have to be talking about stupid Tesla. We need Mullen to squeeze. Save us, Mullen. Save us, please. Just break 750 and go. Sheesh. There we go, Mullen. Thank you. Oof, look at this. Mullen is a gem. 766 for Mullen, guys. Oof, my goodness. Damn. Oh my goodness, Mullen. Telling you. Like, all the Tesla bulls are running over to Mullen now because Mullen is the future. It's only a matter of time before Mullen makes rocket cars. Undervalued. Uh, yeah. Mullen, Mullen. Yeah, no, it looks really good. That let's see if we can get above 70 cents. It looks nice. What, buddy? No, I'm just saying, like, Mullen is performing really well. Like, Mullen looks good. If you take away the name Mullen, Mullen is a gem. If you take away the name Mullen, this, like, the technicals are absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Like, the technicals are beautiful. Tell me you don't like the way this stock is performing. Tell me you don't like this. I like what it's doing. I like what it's doing. What's the history of Mullen? Don't worry, soon it's going to be better than the history of Tesla. No, wait. Yeah, no, it's yep. No, but I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, IVP is really fighting here. Really fighting. Really fighting. Really fighting. So that thing needs to get pumping. Get back to like $4 or something. Get back to $4 or something. I know, because you guys want to talk about weird things, you know. So we only have like 10 minutes left, and then we can run away. Look a beautiful mullen. Oof. La, la, la. Yup, yup, yup. Na, na, na. How much is mullen to pump them? I'm not even in the damn thing. I'm just saying the stock, the performance of the stock looks nice. That's all I'm saying. As a scalp, yes. As an investment, no. So don't go diamond hunting Mullen like, oh my god, but he said Mullen was amazing. No, just scalp it, right? Like like it's done well today. Go pull up the Tesla chart and see if it's the opposite of this Tesla. Virus, I know. I think honestly, I think everybody's on the same page. You know, uh, on the same page. Um, so I just don't want to. I just don't want to go on a ramp on a rant, because I try and stay away from these things. Because yeah, I may buy Mullen. Nice price action. Just don't buy it at the highs of the day. Right? Don't diamond hand it. Yeah, SGD is a beauty. Yup, Kenny, like it's an absolute beauty. That thing is up 99%. Right? Tesla will never see 99% again, unless Kathy Woods buys the entire company. But yep, SGD looks nice. Looks very nice. La, 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 la. Yup, looks very nice. Uh, la, la, la. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I bought a put. I'm not sure I understand. Yeah. Choo, 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 choo. Look at Mullen, guys. Oof, Mullen just hit new highs of the day. Oh my goodness. Oh my days. Jay, what's your question for IVP? It needs to stay above 330, 340. What's your question? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at Mullen, guys. I'm telling you, guys. Telling you, virus. Come on, Dan. Telling you. Oof. This is not like Tesla, you know? Tesla is destined for, you know what it's destined for. Mullen? At least Mullen is unknown. We know where Tesla is going. We don't know where Mullen is going. At least that means we have a chance. Sheesh. Look at that. 775 new highs. 52s sold at 60. Okay, you made monies though. You made monies. You made money. It's green at least. I yeah, that's annoying. La, 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 la. Yep. You smell an offering on MULN? Probably. Probably. Don't stay there too long though, and you should be okay. Come back for ARM IP earnings. Let me take a look. What's ARM doing? 108. And then what else do we have? ARM Robinhood. Yeah, let's do it. AMC. Oof. Let's do it. Let's do it. Airbnb. Beyond Meat. Oh my goodness. Let's do it. Okay. There's some other really good stuff too on the list. Some other fun stuff. Yeah. Exactly, Pablo. That means, we have a lot of room to the upside, right? I'm kidding, by the way. Just play the technicals, right? It's a stock that's behaving really well today, especially. So if you take away the ticker symbol, just play the technicals, right? You have to remember that it's MULN, right? You have to remember that it's MULN and not diamond handed. But other than that, just play as we usually play. So we can watch Tesla too. No, Tesla's trash. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Tesla is trash. They need to change the name to Abyss, and then put the ticker symbol as ASS, and do a split and put the stock at 99 cents. Maybe at that point it's gonna behave. Trashla. Yep. Yup. It's exactly what it is. Trash. Yeah, no, Mullen will eventually go to the abyss. Eventually. So Mullen will eventually go to the abyss. We know better, right? But just play the technicals, do your regular scout piece, and move on. Just like anything else. I know, Justin. I know, right? Yeah, Tesla can recover on these. So, come on, Pablo. Mullen to the abyss. Be nice to Mullen. Be nice. What happened to that Karab Kareem person? They should be green on their position. I mean, even the momentum scanner knows, like, the momentum scanner has been spamming Mullen today. So yeah, just don't buy at the top, please. Wait for these dip skis, wait for these retests, wait for the curls if you're playing with Mullen, right? Again, play the technicals. Don't just go jumping at the top and you're like, but it was pumping when I got in. How come it when? Don't do that. You know. Choo, choo, choo. If Tesla goes from red to green, I will say it's only because we trashed it today, and we should keep trashing it. Tesla is not gonna go green. Tesla is done for. One more bad article and it's finished. No, 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 no. 154, Troy. Okay, good, good. Uh, Dell. Okay, thank you, Wesley. I'm just looking at here. Yeah, for Dell. Oh, okay. Let's get rid of that. That's what it hits, I would say. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, Ruben looks like it came all the way down to the 200, all the way down to the 200 to $3, and then and 310 ish. Pablo mentioned that earlier, and then bounced, which is perfect actually, right? You could have either looked for a gamble at the 200 or the cross back above the 9, either or. Nice bounce, resistance 335. So be careful. Yeah, 335. Choo. Like spy. Yeah. No, it actually it's done well today. Yeah. John, are you still in your DTCK position? Uh, Thanks for the heads up. I do options, but I know that the IPOs can do well. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hold on. Yeah, no, and no, that was thanks to Pablo for the heads up. Thanks to Dominican Pappy on Spy. Okay, Dominican. Is Mullen going back up already? Yup. The IVP really needs to give us like one beautiful looking candle. Beautiful looking candle. Beautiful looking candle. Are you looking for an ES play, Troy? ES? ES. ES. Okay. You're short? Okay. Just looking. Sends me his email. It's a sign. Wait, how did what did you sign up for that they have your email to send you a survey? That's cool. It is a sign. Go back, please. No, no, no. Yeah, for an entry. Okay. Yup, yup, yup. It's a sign. Back to the DR. Ooh, what is that? Is that mullen I smell? And what is it doing? It's cooking. Oh my goodness! To test mullen is back to the highs of the day, guys. You want to know what's not at the highs of the day? Take a wild guess. It's not Tesla. Oof, mullen. It was randomly selected. Oh wow, cool. Maybe it really is a sign. Like, come back, come back. Nothing is random. No, no. Just like Tesla crashing and mullen pumping. Not random. Ding, ding, ding. And 514s. Okay. Yeah, it looks like Mullen is double topping at 775 though. So that's your next break level. Ding, ding, ding. There we go, Mullen. There we go. Green day on everything except for TIVC, Josh. Okay, nice. So green overall though, right? More than yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Yes, you do. Uh, oh, look at Mullen go. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Yeah, it really has, Pablo. It really has. It really has. You take away like Mullen, you take away that symbol. Mullen has crushed it today. Like I said, it's been behaving like an absolute beauty, right? What did Mullen just do? Mullen just broke out, and then came back for the retest, and then boom, new highs of the day. So all the technicals we talk about, that's exactly what Mullen is doing, which is beautiful, right? Eventually, that thing's gonna go to the abyss. Eventually, but for now, it's behaving like a good stock. So there's a yup, behaving like a really good stonk. Do, 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 do. Like a really good stonk. Keep sending him, Mullen. Uh, 1 day. No. We're talking about Mullen, but I understand make money where you can. No, exactly, exactly, Troy. It's what we usually do, right? So we talk about all these trash names. 9 out of 10 of these stocks we talk about, they deserve to be delisted, But make monies where you can, especially some of these like penny OTC stock. Well, not OTC stocks, but like some of these micro penny stocks, right? A lot of them like are gonna scam you, but make your monies and move on. So spy is scamming. Spy is always scamming, That's what spy does best. No. Again, I the only thing I like about Mullen for now is the technicals. Nothing else. I don't like the company. I like nothing else. I will say though, it's impressive that Mullen is getting a $45,000 cash voucher. I think that's impressive. So they must be doing something right. They must be doing something right. Um, but the company hasn't sold nearly as they might be building a good business. That's cool, love it. I hope they succeed, right? There's no point in like if Mullen fails, like what do I gain? What do you gain? Nothing, zero, zero, zero. Mullen zero. Mullen fails, succeeds zero, right? Don't really care, right? So I hope they succeed. I hope I again, like I said, I think it's impressive that they're getting that much of a discount on the vehicles, right? So for now, we play with the technicals as we know best because that's the only thing that's led us to success, right? Technicals. Because look at Tesla. You can invest in a company like Tesla, and you're like, oh my god, Tesla is going to be amazing, and Tesla gets destroyed. So and then you can look at Mullen, and Mullen is actually pumping. So technicals, right? That's it. I don't know, virus. I don't know. So. Yeah, I'm gonna watch the game because Madrid I mean, it's really only Madrid, Munich. I'm gonna watch the game. So, oh yeah, but we have to be back on stream. Dang it. Maybe I'm just gonna pull up the game on my phone and watch the game as we're back on stream. Exactly, Dennis. Play the vibes. Play the vibes and move on. Right? It's all about the vibes. No, we're gonna win another. Pablo. Hala Madrid. Well, the future of Tesla is moving to China and trading for 99 cents. The future of Mullen is unknown. China loves Tesla more than the States loves Tesla. So they might as well start packing their bags now. Move that office. Start moving the office. Convert those shares. And if you're a Tesla investor, you better start learning to speak a new language because they're gonna kick all of you out. Better start learning virus. Download Duolingo. Learn a new language. Come on, Veronica. You PSG fan. It's not Madrid's fault that PSG sucks. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What happened to Neo? I'm telling you, China loves Tesla more than they love Neo. Maybe they just love the technology, but they love it more than they love Neo. So Neo's going to the abyss. They're like, come on, China. Come on, Tesla. You're happy they're out? Oh, wow. Okay. Who do you support then? Don't say Manchester United. Don't say Barcelona either, because those teams suck equally as much. After the game, you support Barca? Oh my goodness, my goodness. It's okay. Messi left, and sounds good. Yeah, MULN is dip skiing. No, we should do. We should move Tesla. Every time we want to talk about Tesla, we should move it to the politics channel. La- no, he posts a bunch of destroying thing Madrid. Oh no, I like Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho is the only player that plays for Barcelona that I like. And I like Ronaldinho. Yes, James. Ronaldinho. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's because I saw a whole bunch of videos though. Whole bunch of videos. Ronaldinho. Still kind of playing games here. SGD, Ruben. Yeah. So we failed at the view up here for REBN. REBN. Has it moved in like 20 minutes? Really, Dan? Oh my goodness! Wow. Yeah, I haven't really looked at the S&P today. Wow. Back at the top. Yeah, when you sign CR7, Pablo, or when Messi goes back to coach. Barcelona is like Barcelona's future is the future of Tesla, straight to the abyss. Barcelona will succeed when Tesla succeeds, but this is way too tiny. Yeah. He's hating Saudi. He is. He really is. He really is. T bio. T bio. Yeah, virus. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Do I want to watch Madrid or do I want to come back and stream virus? That's the question. That is the question. Yeah, T bio is going for a bit of a run here. I don't see any news on this, but yeah. Michael Jordan. Yeah. Futures. Yeah. Yeah, we could just stream futures actually. But yeah. Where some is better than Basa? Yep, I agree. I agree. Alrighty, guys, let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discords. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat, and come join us in Discord. Alrighty, Tesla is starting to tank. I'm telling you, like Tesla has no hope. Tesla has no hope. Straight to the abyss. Rico, what happened? WTF? What? So again, come join us in Discord if you're not a member. If you missed the signal of the day, well, become a legend member already. So again, that was Ruben, right? So again from $2.90 all the way to $4 and whatever we went to $4.50. Yeah, 452. So again, if you missed this one, again, become a legend member, right? So we've been crushing it lately in the Signal channel. So again, if you're not a member yet, upgrade to legends and come join us and stop missing out. Alrighty? Because your membership pays for itself. If you took this signal, your membership would have paid for itself immediately, right? So stop slacking. Deal? Deal. Deal. NOD. NOD. Not bad. Not bad. That thing seems to have a lot of resistance there though, Wes. Like 950. 950, lot of resistance there. Mullen's dumping, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say stuff like that. Only Mullen is retracing. Tesla is dumping. I'm kidding, by the way. We're coming back to that same level, right? So that level that we struggled with earlier, this level is going to be a magnet. Absolute magnet. Mullen is retracing. Technical retrace. Tesla straight to the abyss. Trash. Dump. Kidding. Not kidding. See you in Discord, Hamza. Uh, what was done to them in the last game was the last 5 games, Pablo. Everybody goes to West Ham and just enters. Oh my goodness. Jay? Yes. Yeah, look at Mullen bounce. Look at that. I'm telling you, like it's a technical retrace. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Like Mullen just came to to the downtrend and said bounce. Tesla goes to a trend and says crash. Look at that. So nice things only, please. Until they do an offering. Look at that. Very nice. Show me Mullen on Friday. Yeah, let's the fairer thing to do would be to compare Mullen and Tesla on Friday and see which ones perform better for the week. It's not going to be Tesla. You're done. Wes, what? What did I say? What did I say? I'm just giving you the facts, like technicals. Mullen has, look at that. Anybody want to look at this Mullen chart and tell me that it doesn't have good technicals today? Forget about the week. Anybody want to look at this and say, it doesn't look good? Does anybody want to do that? Let me put a line on Mullen, okay? Let's put a line on Mullen. Anybody want to look at this and say, look at this. Look at that beautiful uptrend for Mullen. Look at that. Actually, it looks like it's gonna break below now, but don't laugh. Okay, look at that. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Right? Mullen's been fighting that trend for quite some time. Maybe it's gonna break below now, but it's sitting there. Right? Mullen's been trending up all day. Technicals, beautiful. Go look at the Tesla technicals. All you see is blood. Could be a nice play up to 50. Yeah, looks like it's curling up to 50. and come back in 3 months. No thanks. You know why? I think I would lose less in Mullen. I want to lose money on both, but I would lose less in Mullen because Tesla is going to be at $2, and yeah, a short for Mullen. Yeah, well, yeah, from the top, yeah. Let's look at the weekly. No, no, I'm not talking about Mullen's weekly. I'm just talking about today. As a matter of fact, let's look at Mullen. Let's look at Mullen on the daily. Okay, let's look at Mullen on the daily. And it's loading. Look at Mullen on the daily. Woof on the daily. Look at Mullen. Woof. I think look at the daily for Mullen. Mullen has gone from $2.50. I don't know why I'm trying to justify this, but look at that. Mullen is actually fighting resistance today. You don't want to see the Tesla daily. It's like a watermelon that you've thrown off the roof. Yeah. A tiny. Yes. No, no, no. Mullen's done well. Mullen's done well the last 3 days, to be fair, right? So Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Mullen's done well. On the long time frame, that's it's been so compressed. No, you're right. You're right. You can offering. He's offering to sell me at the company for $100, Gail. Are you gonna take it? You might as well reject it. No, just kidding, guys. Again, so play the technicals, right? Um, look at Mullen, guys. Look at that uptrend for Mullen. Look, somebody look at this and tell me Mullen isn't a beauty. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this beautiful uptrend here. Look at that. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So like, yeah, there's Anyways, I'm kidding. Watch Mullen give us a fat green candle here, and then Virus is gonna regret, you know, not going in. Sheesh. Okay, it's time to leave. Time to leave. It's time to leave. Damn. And all you had to do, Mullen, was give me a green candle. Sheesh. Wow. But wait. But wait, there's more. you know? Damn, Mullen. You just had to do me like that? Oh, okay. I see you. Oh my goodness. La, 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 la. Yeah, IVP still looks interesting. We just need a nice run on IVP there. I hope it gets back above $4, but yeah. Nap time. The recent the daily after no, 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 absolutely, Wes, absolutely. No, like make no mistake. Play the technicals on Mullen, right? Other than that, I don't, like I said, I don't see anything else there other than the technicals. So play the technicals and move on. Now wait for yeah. So don't go like saying, "Oh, Mullen is a good investment," right? Because you're gonna end up under the same bridge that Tesla's at. That's in China. Uh, yeah, I wish Mullen needs to all this promotion. Mullen needs to pay me today. Like, damn, look at that. Mullen is coming back, guys. Look at that bounce. No, no, no. You guys know I'm joking. Um, I'm joking. So, yeah, play your technicals. I think what we've kind of banked on from day one, right? It doesn't matter whatever you're playing with from day one. Like the technicals, is what you should always rely on. Always, always. I've said this multiple times. Like everything will fail you. Like a CEO will. I mean, Tesla is a good example, right? The company will fail you. The CEO will fail you. The one thing that doesn't fail you is the technicals. If you look at the technicals for MULN, amazing, right? If you look at the technicals for Tesla, we talked about that 185 level, right? Virus below that level, a lot of resistance, right back down. So like nothing's changed. Play the technicals, unless it's an investment. Then do your research and make that decision on your own. LPSN, how is it a day? Okay. I had three words for you. What are these three words, Pablo? What are these three words? And then it's time to go. Pablo, you're 1 point ahead. All of this trash talking last week, 1 point. Unbelievable. 1 point. Don't worry. Uh yeah. Yeah, no, I have to go. I have to go. I have to go. I have to go. Jeff? Yeah. I'll catch you guys in Discord. Let's see if we can do some more signals today, some more alerts. I don't really see anything that I like for now. SGD looks good. It's bouncing off the 50. I think Justin mentioned that, right? OE mentioned that. Nice bounce off the 50. We're still watching IVP. You're not gonna get you will not get a Mullen signal from me, even though we're talking about it. So don't wait for Mullen signal. You're not gonna get a Tesla signal either. But yeah, no, it's to failures. Wes. Well, I mean, yeah, that's true. Much love, Justin. Be safe, guys. Again, don't forget to smash a like as you leave, please and thank you. And I will catch you guys in Discord. Until Mullen is crossing 8? No. Much love, Dan. See you, Discord. Pablo, much love. Virus and Thrust. Just remember when others are fearful, nah, Elon is doing too much. Yeah, up 3 points. Rubbish. Scam. See you guys in Discord. Much love, guys. Thank you, Dan. Um, yeah, yeah, 40 people. Yeah, people always slack on the likes. And all those people that are not smashing the like, go buy Tesla and move to China with Elon. Okay, bye, bye, guys.